Happening today, the fate of the grocery store merger between Kroger and Albertsons will be debated in court in Denver.
Yeah, that's right. 9 reporter Brianna Fernandez is live in Denver. Brianna, there's been a lot of fighting against this merger.
Yeah, so the merger was announced back in 2022. So these are the parent companies of King Soopers and Safeway here in Colorado. And since then, the merger has faced a lot of legal challenges, not only on a state level, but also a federal level. So we know that there's several lawsuits across the country, but here in Colorado, it's going to be just a little bit different. So today, what we can expect to see inside of that Denver courtroom is that Colorado Attorney General's office will make its case against this billion-dollar deal. So back in July, a district court judge ruled the merger had a reasonable probability of violating the law, specifically the Colorado Antitrust Act, which put a temporary pause on the merger. So antitrust experts say the merger would lower competition and drive up prices for shoppers. However, the CEO of Kroger insists the opposite would happen, saying the company would lower prices to compete with Walmart and Amazon. He says that they've done it before with previous mergers, investing millions and reducing profits to make it happen. Now, Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser filed a Colorado lawsuit to block that merger permanently earlier this year, saying the deal will create a mega grocery store with higher prices and fewer locally sourced products, which ultimately would lead to store closures.
And we're worried about a repeat of what we saw last time. When Safeway and Albertsons merged, they spun off stores to a company called Hagen's. Hagen's was not able to operate their stores effectively. They either closed down or they were sold back to the merged firm. That was a disaster. We do not want to have this disaster happen again, where consumers and workers and farmers will bear the brunt of it.
Weiser said that the state would continue to pursue blocking the merger until the deal falls apart. Now, as this trial is happening, the union representing grocery store workers impacted by this merger, they're holding a rally. So they say this merger could lead to job loss and impacts on supply chain. That rally starts at noon outside of the city and county building. Of course, we're definitely going to keep you updated on this trial that starts today. Both on air as well as online, and the trial should be expected to last about 3 weeks. For now, I'm live here in Denver. Brianna Fernandez for 9 News.
A lot of people across the state are invested in this. We're going to keep a close eye on all of it for them. Brianna, thank you.